Topic: Hazard communication. Overview of the OSHA standard. The basic goal of a hazard communication program is to ensure employers and employees know about work hazards and how to protect themselves. This should help to reduce the incidence of chemical source illness and injuries. Chemicals pose a wide range of health hazards, such as irritation, sensitization, and carcinogenicity, and physical hazards, such as flammability, corrosion, and reactivity. This standard is designed to ensure that information about these hazards and associated protective measures is disseminated to workers and employers. This is accomplished by requiring chemical manufacturers and importers to evaluate the hazards of the chemicals they produce or import, and providing information about them through labels on shipped containers and more detailed information sheets called material data safety sheets.